Welcome, travel enthusiasts. Get ready to ignite your wanderlust because today we're diving headfirst into the heart of Italy. This isn't just a country, it's a symphony of flavors, a canvas of history, and a celebration of life itself. From the aroma of freshly baked pizza to the passionate rhythm of its cities, Italy captivates every sense. It's a place where ancient ruins stand proudly beside modern marvels, and every corner tells a story. Whether you're dreaming of a romantic getaway, an epic adventure, or a deep dive into culture, Italy has something extraordinary waiting for you. And to help you plan your ultimate Italian escape, we're counting down the top 10 must-see places. These are the destinations that define Italy, the spots that will leave an indelible mark on your travel memories. So, buckle up, because your Italian adventure starts right now. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the breathtaking Cinque Terre. Imagine 5 vibrant, pastel-colored villages clinging dramatically to rugged cliffs overlooking the Ligurian Sea. This isn't just a destination, it's a postcard come to life. These charming towns are connected by scenic hiking trails that offer unparalleled coastal views, making every step an adventure. You can explore hidden coves, relax on small beaches, and savor some of the freshest seafood imaginable. It's the perfect spot for a romantic escape or a relaxing retreat, where the pace of life slows down to the rhythm of the waves. Next up, at number 9, we journey south to the legendary Amalfi Coast. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a true masterpiece of nature and human ingenuity, famous for its dramatic cliffs, sparkling turquoise waters, and picturesque towns like Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello. Driving the winding coastal roads is an experience in itself, revealing breathtaking vistas at every turn. You'll discover secluded beaches perfect for a dip and charming villages brimming with local crafts. Don't forget to indulge in the region's signature limoncello, a sweet and zesty liqueur that perfectly captures the spirit of this luxurious destination. At number 8, we arrive in Florence, the undisputed birthplace of the Renaissance. This city is a living museum, where every street corner whispers tales of artistic genius and historical grandeur. Prepare to be awestruck by its world-class art, architecture, and history. Marvel at the iconic Duomo, a dome that redefined engineering, and climb to its summit for panoramic views of the city. Explore the Uffizi Gallery, home to masterpieces by Botticelli and Leonardo da Vinci, or stroll across the Ponte Vecchio, a medieval bridge lined with shops. Florence truly is a feast for the mind and soul, inviting you to step back in time. Coming in at number 7 is the utterly unique city of Venice. There's simply no place on earth quite like it. A city built on water, where canals replace roads and gondolas are the ultimate mode of transport. Getting lost in its maze-like streets is part of the magic. Explore the grandeur of St. Mark's Square, with its magnificent basilica and Doge's Palace, or simply wander through the labyrinthine alleys, discovering hidden bridges and charming piazzas. A gondola ride is an absolute must, offering a unique perspective of this enchanting city. Venice promises an unforgettable experience that will linger in your memories long after you leave. Our 6th must-see destination takes us to the serene beauty of Lake Como. Nestled in the foothills of the Alps, this stunning lake is renowned for its tranquil waters, charming lakeside villages, and luxurious villas that dot the shoreline. It's a haven of peace and natural splendor. Imagine waking up to breathtaking scenery, spending your days exploring quaint towns like Bellagio and Varenna, or simply relaxing by the water. Lake Como offers a perfect blend of elegance and tranquility, making it an ideal escape for those seeking a relaxing getaway amidst unparalleled natural beauty. It's where the mountains meet the water in perfect harmony. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we find ourselves in the Eternal City, Rome. This incredible metropolis is a vibrant tapestry woven from millennia of history, where ancient ruins stand proudly alongside bustling modern life. Every step here feels like walking through a living history book. Explore the awe-inspiring Colosseum, imagine gladiatorial contests in the Roman Forum, and toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain to ensure your return. Don't forget to visit Vatican City, an independent state within Rome, home to St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican Museums. Rome truly brings history alive, offering an immersive journey through time. At number 4, we escape to the rolling hills of Tuscany, a region synonymous with idyllic landscapes, world-class wines, and delectable cuisine. This is Italy at its most picturesque, with endless vineyards, ancient olive groves, and iconic cypress trees defining the horizon. Tuscany is a feast for the senses, inviting you to indulge in exquisite local wines, from Chianti to Brunello, and savor authentic Tuscan dishes made with fresh regional ingredients. Explore charming medieval towns like Siena and San Gimignano, or simply drive through the countryside, soaking in the breathtaking beauty. It's an experience that nourishes both body and soul. Breaking into our top 3 at number 3 is Milan, Italy's undisputed fashion and design capital. This vibrant city offers a dynamic contrast to Italy's ancient past, showcasing a sleek, modern energy alongside its rich cultural heritage. It's a hub of innovation and style. Marvel at the magnificent Duomo, a Gothic cathedral of unparalleled grandeur, and stroll through the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, one of the world's oldest shopping malls. Explore the Quadrilatero della Moda, Milan's famous fashion district, where luxury boutiques line the streets. Milan is a city of vibrant life, offering world-class shopping, dining, and a sophisticated urban experience. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the captivating island of Sicily. This diverse region is a melting pot of cultures, history, and stunning natural beauty, offering a unique blend of ancient ruins, beautiful beaches, and dramatic landscapes. It's an island of endless discovery. Explore ancient Greek temples in Agrigento, relax on pristine Mediterranean beaches, or even witness the majestic power of Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano. Sicily's rich history is reflected in its architecture, cuisine, and traditions, making every visit an adventure. It's a place where every corner reveals a new facet of its incredible charm and unique identity. And finally, taking the top spot as our number 1 must-see place in Italy, the Dolomites. These majestic mountain ranges in northeastern Italy are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, renowned for their dramatic, jagged peaks, lush valleys, and crystal-clear alpine lakes. It's a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Whether you're an avid hiker, a nature photographer, or simply seeking fresh air and breathtaking views, the Dolomites offer an unparalleled experience. Explore charming mountain villages, embark on exhilarating trails, or simply soak in the serene beauty of this incredible landscape. The sheer scale and majesty of the Dolomites will leave you utterly speechless, proving that Italy's beauty extends far beyond its famous cities and coasts. And there you have it, our top 10 must-see places in Italy. From the colorful cliffs of Cinque Terre to the majestic peaks of the Dolomites, Italy truly offers an incredible diversity of experiences for every kind of traveler. We hope this countdown has sparked your imagination and ignited your passion for exploring this magnificent country. Now that you're inspired, it's time to start planning your own unforgettable Italian adventure. Whether you're a budget traveler or dreaming of luxury, Italy has options for everyone. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel guides and inspiration. Tell us in the comments below, which of these Italian destinations is at the top of your travel list? Or perhaps you have a hidden gem in Italy that you think deserves more recognition. We love hearing from you. For all the best deals on hotels, flights, tours, and more, check out the links in the description below. Happy travels, and we'll see you on the next adventure.